In this lesson, we'll learn how to add integers. Our first key concept is adding integers with the same sign. To add integers with the same sign, we add their absolute values. Sum is positive if both integers are positive and negative if both integers are negative. For example, 8 plus 1 is 9. Minus 2 plus minus 4. Well, just 2 plus 4. But it's going to be minus 6 since both signs are negative. If we look at example A, 3 plus 5 is simply going to be 8. That's easy. Next, if we take a look at minus 3 plus minus 5, they are both negative, so this is going to be minus 8. Our second key concept is to add integers with different signs, one positive and one negative. So add integers with different signs, subtract their absolute values. The sum is going to be positive if the positive integer's absolute value is greater, and negative if the negative integer's absolute value is greater. So here, the absolute value of 9 is 9 and absolute value of minus 4 is positive 4. And then we look at which number is bigger. Here it is 9. Now the sum is positive if the positive absolute value is greater. And that's the case here. So we just subtract those and get 5. And our answer is going to remain positive. In the next one, we'll have 9 and 4 as absolute values. However, at this time, with the 9 being larger than the 4, 9 minus 4 is 5. But our answer is going to be negative since the negative integer's absolute value is greater here. Let's take a look at some other examples. First, we have an absolute value of 7 is 7. Absolute value of minus 11 is positive 11, which is larger than 7. So our answer is going to be negative. When we subtract 7 from 11, we get 4. And our answer is going to be minus 4. What about minus 2 plus 9? Well, our absolute values are 2 and 9, and this time our 9 is larger and that represents a positive number. So our answer is going to be positive. We can do 9 minus 2 to get 7, and it's going to remain a positive 7. So it comes down to looking at the absolute value of both integers. Determine which one is larger, and the larger absolute value will tell you whether your sign is going to be positive or negative.